Today, we're going to cover how to do sub-second data acceleration and orchestration using Kinvey. To illustrate this topic, we're going to walk through a sample scenario. As an application developer working for Acme ski distributors, I've been tasked with building a mobile experience for my internal sales team. The challenge here is that at Acme, we have our CRM account data living in Salesforce and our order information living in a Microsoft SQL Server table. How do we combine these data sources while also providing data acceleration to deliver a seamless experience for my sales team while they're out in the field? Let's go to the Kinvey interface to show you how it's done. The account collection is mapped to a Salesforce account endpoint, and the orders collection is being mapped to Acme's orders table living in a SQL Server database. We've leveraged Kinvey's Rapid Data connectors to create these two back-end services. Rapid Data allows me to create configuration-only connections to commonly used back-end platforms, and I can also have an additional layer of security where I can choose to restrict certain operations from occurring from the client application, and I can also map fields from the back-end, in this case SQL Server, to what the client application expects to display on the front end. Anytime a collection is mapped to an external data service, you can use what's called cloud caching. Any subsequent requests can be served from a Kinvey-maintained cache, as opposed to calling to the back-end platform for each request. Now that provides a seamless user experience for my sales team to view information about these accounts and to see detailed information about these accounts. To bring in order data from each of these accounts, I'm going to use a feature of Kinvey called Business Logic. Business Logic allows me to inject code at different points in the request lifecycle. In this case, every time I want to fetch an account record, I'm also going to be running a Retrieve Orders microservice I've deployed to our microservice runtime. This is going to allow me to write my Node.js project locally, test it locally, use npm and source control, and then deploy it to our runtime. The API console is going to show me that on each GET request to the accounts collection, I'm pulling back a list of orders through the Business Logic collection hook as well as the account detail. As a user using the mobile application, I can view any relevant order details for each account. So through Business Logic, Rapid Data connectors, and cloud caching, I've showed you how you can achieve data acceleration and orchestration using the Kinvey platform.